everybody, Corey, Precision 4x4 Center. Today we're going to install a couple pieces on the 79-83 box. We're going to do some tail lights, the marker lights, and I'll show you how the hardware for the tailgate goes in as well. One thing I wanted to mention is that I say it's a 79-83 style bed. It's actually the 82-83, and the reason is because of the center latch gate. We only build the center latch style tailgate. We do not build the two side latch gate. I've had some customers ask us about it, if we will. I can't make the hooks strong enough. And therefore I can't warranty it or guarantee that it's going to work or last, have any longevity to it. So I just won't do it. That being said, I've had customers modify it themselves because they insisted on having it. So they've asked me to build them a gate without the hole in it for the center latch. It is a little bit of a different style as well. Because of the raised Toyota letters, but I mean, you know, it's fiberglass, so you can work with it, or we can do custom as well. So let's go ahead and show you how to install some pieces here. So you will need some tools, obviously, to install it. You'll need a drill. Drilling pilot holes is a must. Also drilling the holes on the side. Depending if you've sent us the hardware or not, we do not pre-drill those. So I've already drilled the holes, so I won't be drilling them obviously, but I'll show you. They're fairly easy to, put in to install. So here is the installed side already. Yeah, so those basically will just bolt into place obviously once you've drilled the holes. All the holes mostly are in the gate already. The tailgate handle, this is the original center latch handle. It bolts in place with using all the factory hardware, just like stock. And the side latches will fit in just like stock. We use nut certs. They're embedded right into the gate. The hardware will come with it when you purchase it. So it's just a bolt-in affair. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done. All right. So the latch or catch, whatever you want to call it, it just fits into the gate, into the hole here. The hardware that comes with it is again just simply a bolt-in. We've got the countersunk bolts here. They're not the same metric one, so you can't use that. We use it's a standard thread. But that's what we supply. Okay, so that's installed. Now we have to attach it to the handle. Just fits in the clip. The lock clip locks it in place. and now you've got it working. So now we can put on the cover. That can go on and cover that up. That's also supplied. The other two are already in place. So when I do this, when I install them, I pre-drill those pilot holes and put the screws in, and that's how you would get the tailgate. That's how you receive the tailgate. Okay, so I just installed the panel. It's 4 screws. It isn't rocket science. So next thing that you'll want to do is the side hardware, drilling the holes. Basically what I'll do is I'll take the catch and fit it up against the side and put it in place, hold it with my fingers, take a Sharpie, mark the hole, and drill the hole. Then you can start installing your hardware and locking it in place for good, nuts and bolts. Just pop those in place. Double check it, make sure you're all lined up, make sure your lines are correct. You can oval the holes as well if you need to, if you've maybe misdrilled or something. This area in the tailgate, here in the tailgate and also in the vertical is Kevlar and woven reinforced, so it's fairly strong. We've tested it up to about 500 pounds on the tailgate, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then putting on the stake. So it's the same, basically same thing. You'll hook it onto the catch and line it up where it's tight, and mark it with a Sharpie. And pop your hardware in. Just like that. There's also some rubber pieces in here. You'll need to drill those to keep this from wobbling around. I've had a couple customers who have actually put hose around this, like a clear hose or something. If you don't have those rubber pieces, that works really well to take up that noise and space in there too. So we're using an aftermarket light here. Not too many brand new ones available anymore. So like Toyota OE, these are brand new. We do have a limited supply. I try to keep 5, 6, 7, up to 10 sets in stock, but they go pretty quick. So if you're interested in lights, you gotta let me know. They're just held in with the 3. I'm not going to bother putting on all this hardware because I'm not going to ship it like that. But basically the light, it's in the pre-drilled holes, pockets, and then your nuts just go onto the pocket just like factory. So there's 3 nuts. Again, I'm not going to put all of them on because I just have to take it off, but I'm sure you get the idea. It's fairly, I mean, it's quite easy. Everything is drilled and set up for you. So really there's no farting around. So the marker light, which again is aftermarket, I don't think you can get stock OE ones anymore. We have these. We sell quite a few of these as well. Try to keep them in stock, but you know, they go pretty quick. So you got to let us know ahead of time. But it's 2 screws that hold it in place. Pre-drill pilot holes. So you'll hold the marker light up into the panel. Make sure you have it the correct way. And then you'll pre-drill your holes and simply just screw it into place. Make sure you're level. And there you go. Just that simple. Connected to your existing harness, and yeah, you're good to go. So thanks for coming by, checking us out. I hope that helps with answering some of your questions. And if I can help further, please don't hesitate to call. Shoot me an email. Look forward to helping you out. Have a good day.